I'm Polly Bath, and I travel throughout the country helping schools manage and change difficult behavior that interrupts instruction. Today, I'm going to answer one of your questions. In my position, I offer support to kids who have difficult life circumstances. However, sometimes it seems the child doesn't have the bandwidth to process my suggestions and still participate in their classwork. Do you have any ideas for me? Yeah, this is a tough one. I think what we're trying to do is we're trying to do all the intervention for kids. At the same time, we're trying to jam all the classwork in at the same speed. So something's got to give. So I look at this as kind of my highway through the instruction. So I'm going to have kids that are going to be always staying in the right lane. I'm going to have kids that are going to kind of be in the middle lane. And I'm going to have kids that are in the passing zone. The kids who are struggling with a lot of difficult life circumstances, they're going to kind of stay in that slow lane. And so I've got to be realistic. So basically, it's picking my battles. If I know that child has a counseling session and they're getting support via that tier 2 intervention, I know that they're not going to pass into the middle lane or the fast lane today because things are being kind of uncovered in their discussions that are going to derail them from being able to participate in classwork. So I'm ready for that. So being ready for that means I'm going to say, listen, here's what we're doing today. I say to the whole class, we're looking for 20 problems to get done. Get 10 if you can. If you get 2 and they're correct, you're still on the right page. You're still going along. You're still getting what you need to get done. So offer them an out if you know you've got those kids. Now, you're not lowering the bar. You're being realistic about what they have for bandwidth. And I like that word because I think we all have days when we just don't have any bandwidth left. I mean, there's days when you say, I'm going to go to school, I'm going to teach, I'm going to do this, I'm going to do that, I'm going to get my groceries on the way home. And as you're coming across the exit, to the grocery store, you're like, yeah, no, I don't have it today. It's the same thing, and you can't force it. So you really got to be careful that you kind of pick that battle. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, watch these videos, and if you've got questions for future videos, include those in the comments below.